CRA Error ERR.21 is a common technical issue that prevents users from accessing the Canada Revenue Agency's online portal services. This error typically indicates problems with browser compatibility or session management, preventing successful login or navigation within CRA's digital platforms. The primary causes of ERR.21 include browser cache and cookie conflicts, outdated browser versions, disabled JavaScript, and security software interference. The first step to resolve ERR.221 is clearing your browser's cache, cookies, and site data. Here's how to do it in Google Chrome. Next, ensure JavaScript and cookies are enabled for CRA domains in your browser settings. Navigate to your browser's content settings to configure these options. Browser extensions can interfere with CRA portal functionality. Temporarily disable extensions to check if they're causing the ERR.221 error. If the issue persists, try accessing the CRA portal during off-peak hours, use a different browser, or temporarily disable security software that might be blocking the connection. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve CRA error ERR.221, advanced techniques can help solve persistent issues and prevent future occurrences. Advanced troubleshooting involves three key areas: security software configuration, network diagnostics, and system-level fixes. First, configure your security software to allow CRA domains through firewall exceptions. Adjust VPN settings and temporarily disable web protection if necessary. Network issues often cause ERR.221. Flush your DNS cache to clear corrupted domain name records and reset network adapters to restore connectivity. Access your network settings to reset adapters and troubleshoot connectivity issues that may interfere with CRA portal access. As of 2025, the CRA is focusing on a mobile-first approach. The CRA mobile app often provides a more stable experience than web browsers, especially during high-traffic periods. Prevention is key to avoiding ERR.221. Regular maintenance and proper configuration can eliminate most issues before they occur. Establish a regular maintenance schedule. Update browsers monthly, clear cache and cookies every 30 days, and keep multiple browser options available as backups. Configure your systems optimally by enabling automatic browser updates, using recommended settings for government sites, and pre-configuring security exceptions for CRA domains. Contact CRA technical support when ERR.221 persists after following all troubleshooting steps, when corporate network restrictions prevent access, or when multiple users experience the same issue, especially during critical tax deadlines. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and prevention strategies, you can resolve persistent ERR.221 issues and maintain reliable access to CRA online services.